Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable the 5G connection on the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first open the settings, tap on connections, and inside the connections tap on mobile networks. Here select network mode and choose 5G preferred. If you don't see 5G preferred option, make sure your SIM card supports 5G. Other SIM cards may not be compatible, so if that's the case, contact your carrier for replacement. Once 5G is enabled and available, you should see a 5G icon in the status bar at the top of the screen. That means your phone is successfully connected to 5G network. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.